Guys, so today we'll be using the patch tool in Adobe Photoshop CC. Alright, so let's get straight into it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our content. Alright, so we're gonna remove this bruise from this beautiful baby. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna select the patch tool from the tools panel. If you don't see it, you should see a spot healing brush right there. So once you see the spot healing brush, you right click and find the patch tool in that layers. All right, so select the patch tool and let's make a selection around the bruise. All right, so make a selection around the bruise until you close back the point. All right, and just drag it to the place that more suits you. All right, are more similar to where the bruise is. All right, and let go, and voila, the bruise is gone. The bruise disappear. All right, guys, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our content, guys.